And some big updates now coming in from South America. This is with regards to the long pending standoff between the Brazilian authorities and Elon Musk. Top Brazilian judge has ordered the suspension of Elon Musk's ex in the nation for refusing to name an in-country legal representative is the big headline that we are receiving straight from South America. In fact, the Brazilian Supreme Court has ordered that X will be suspended in the country after the social media platform failed to meet a deadline to appoint a legal representative in the country. To walk you through the details with regards to that, a Supreme Court judge on Friday, which was yesterday, ordered the suspension of Elon Musk's X social media network in Brazil after months-long standoff over disinformation in South America's largest nation, which is Brazil. The judge, Alexandre de Moraes, handed down the ruling after Musk failed to comply with an order to name a legal representative for the company, a new legal representative in fact. We have CNN News 18's Akanksha Swaroop also joining us on the phone line. Akanksha, very good morning to you. Please walk us through the details with regards to the word coming in from Elon Musk. Why did he not sort of give out a name for the legal representative of X in Brazil, result of which is what we are looking at the moment?
You know, he's already been embroiled over regulations as far as Elon Musk is concerned. Twitter has been banned in Brazil. This after he failed to meet a deadline set by a Supreme Court judge to name this new legal representative in the country. He's really not been able to share the deadline. He thought he'll be he meet the deadline. He thought he'll be able to do so and maybe buy some time as well. Interesting is that, Sakshi, it is the latest in a series of rows that Elon Musk has been involved with. He has already clashed with the European Union over regulation of X. And earlier this month also, he was embroiled in a war of words with UK's Prime Minister, Sir Keir Starmer. As we all know that Elon Musk is also an extremely political figure. He's also known for his hard right-wing views, and Keir Starmer, as we all know, belongs to the very left Labour Party. But as of now, as far as Brazil is concerned, the head of Brazil's telecommunications agency has tasked that Twitter be suspended from Brazil, not to forget the fact that he's also given the Justice Moraes, who has taken this decision, has given companies such as Apple and Google 5-day deadline to remove X from application stores and block its use on iOS and Android systems.
Right, Akanksha, please stay on with us from South America. We are heading towards the Middle East right now. Another big breaking